Alright, I finished the painting. I got the Yamaha decal put back on. Got it all unmasked. And everything turned out pretty nice for what it looked like when I bought it. I just ended up masking off around this instrument. This is my bilge pump. I put a momentary switch on it, and then that way every so often I could just check for water inside there. I've seen so many videos where on YouTube where people's wave runners were well, more like Sea-Doos were half sunk. And being this is my first one, I thought, well, I'm not going to take a chance of sinking this thing or ruining my motor. So I put a bilge pump in, and I'll show you that real quick. I'm going to try and hold this as still as I can. Show you how I put it in. Anyways, it's kind of dark, but there's a tube down there. The tube goes around. You really can't see it, but the pump's back there. It's down in the back, low, and it looks like there's silicone there. So I'm assuming someone's had this apart before for some reason. But it runs like a top. The only thing I need to do is on my throttle, it's kind of, I need to try and lubricate that or figure out how to adjust the spring. If someone's ever ran into that before, knows the trick. Maybe you could message me down there in the bottom and let me know. But that's it. 1988 Yamaha WR500 wave runner. I guess you'd call it my restoration project. Thanks for watching.